In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook working hours. If you find that your current Outlook calendar settings don't quite match up with your real life work schedule, I'm here to guide you step by step to make those adjustments. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft's official Outlook login page. You can use any web browser you prefer like Chrome, Firefox or Edge. Once you're on the page, go ahead and click on Sign In. This is where you'll enter your email address and password, so make sure you have those details handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page, which likely defaults to your mail. Now let's navigate to the calendar section. You can usually find this icon easily as it's a staple in the Outlook interface. Why do we go here, you ask? This is where we get to customize your work schedule. It's incredibly useful, especially if you're working on a flexible routine or juggling various tasks throughout the week. Once you're in the calendar view, change to the work week view. This gives you a clear look at the days you're generally concerned with during your typical work week. Why this option? It allows you to concentrate solely on your working days without clutter from the weekends, unless of course weekends are part of your schedule. Here is where the customization really begins. You can start selecting the days you work. For example, if your job requires you to work from Monday through Thursday, but never on Fridays, you can simply uncheck Fridays, ensuring they don't appear in your work calendar. This helps streamline your week, making it that much easier to manage your time effectively. Now that the days are sorted, take a moment to appreciate this. Customizing these settings not only communicates your availability to colleagues, but also helps you maintain a healthy work-life balance by clearly defining your working hours. Another tip, consider updating your status or using the out of office feature for days you are genuinely unavailable to keep everyone informed. And there you have it. Changing your Outlook working hours is as straightforward as that, but it can make a considerable difference in how you organize and manage your work life. Being proactive about adjusting your schedule in Outlook ensures that you're set up for productivity and success, no matter your role or industry. I hope this tutorial helps you take control of your calendar and makes your work week flow a bit smoother. Keep these steps in mind the next time your schedule changes, and you'll find updating your Outlook settings a breeze. Thank you for joining, and happy scheduling.